Hello, I am Janvi, and along with Ayush, Jay, and Jerry, I built a web app which is called BeActive. The problem that we are trying to solve with BeActive is the gap that is there between people who would want to go to social activism events and the people who are actually trying to organize these events. At this moment, let's say that you're a rice student or a student at essentially any institution. The only way that you get information about where the social activism events are happening or where protests or conventions or even normal discussions are happening about social activism events is through maybe either word of mouth that you heard through your friends, or let's face it, Instagram stories. And you probably end up missing out on a lot of events that you would want to go to just because you didn't know about them. On the other side of the coin, there's people who would want to organize these social activism events, but they don't really do it because they don't know how to get the word out to the people. And Be Active is trying to solve that very gap.
So this is the main page of our website. So here users can see other posts that users have made about activist events, or they can choose to make their own. So if they wanted to make their own, they can just press this orange plus button right here and create an event title, an event location, specify the starting date and time and ending date and time of the event, add an event description, and they can add tags related to their event so users can find it more easily. And then this button can allow the poster to remain anonymous if they want to, and then accept the license and terms if they exist. So now the user can find the events they've created under the My Events tab here. And if the user just wanted to see what other users have posted, they can just simply scroll down here. So for example, they can see the Ukraine Crisis Action Hub convention or the LGBTQ plus convention. They can also just choose to filter through all the events through the tags that we have here. And if they wanted to see what events they've registered to, they can click the My Interest tab here. So this user is already registered for the Ukraine Crisis Action Convention and the event they created. If they wanted to add an interest, they can just press this interested button down here, and it would add it to the My Interest tab, and with a description if they want to see it. If they're not sure or they just want to learn more about the event, they can just press the View More button here. And so this brings up a full page of the event. So a description, if the full description didn't fit on the previous page, the contact information of the poster, if they chose to include it, the amount of people interested, and a discussion so they can talk with other activists.
I myself have struggled to find activism events because I had to check out all these platforms such as Instagram stories, Discord.
A lot of organizations fail to kind of keep up updating each of the different platforms that they post onto. So as a result, you can actually get wrong information. So you can accidentally sign up for an event that they hadn't actually updated, and you can do all that work, go to the location and find out, boom, there's nothing there.
It'd be so much easier if there was just one place where people could find out about these activism events, and that's where Be Active comes into play.
Hi, so this is the tech stack of our app. We use Vue.js for dynamic and reactive content and design. We use the Quasar framework for building the UI components of our app. We use Sass for the styling of our app, and we use TypeScript for interface building and the object-oriented programming layout.